Hello. And welcome back to the channel. Gitmar. Mijn naam is Viggy. En ik maak live video's. Mostly of Yiddish. If I tune down to your video, please consider to give me a hit, them like button, them subscribe button, if you don't mind. And if you want to help out the channel, give a hit the join button. Dan weer a channel member. Huh? Is you not sure? I'll do that in the bias box. Oh, wat is je gaan? Of haar hoofd? Ah, oké. Ah, deze hebben we... Oké, dat kan ik verstaan. Zijn we ready? JB. Hello and welcome. Good morning, JB. How you doing? Toen ga ik een beetje spät. Ik ben gewoon busy. Dus je kan gaan live. Like I said. Maar had graduateerd. So. Morning live, dat is een beetje anders. Zilber, $93. Gold, 4,852. What a number. Music, man. Good morning, good morning. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Bitcoin, 89,000. So again, overnight, is set up to 88. Did you get touched 87? What am I saying? Yeah, you get touched 87. SPY, 681. Stickle upper day. Trump is in Davos. Ik wil doen Davos, Mexico. Wat is Davos, Mexico? Bam.
Tricks that you play with my mind.
JB kijkt dus deze guy met some crazy wetters.
Tricks that you play. Tricks that you play with my mind. Tricks that you play with my mind. Tricks that you play with my mind.
Moishi 299. Hello and welcome. Stickle are distracted. A distractical moment. Morning.
Tricks that you play with my.
So much to know what's going on with you. Was jetzt auch? It's made us a stiller, comfortable day. We're just sitting in the sidelines, enjoying the day. We zijn supposedly het aan 12 inches in wie hier woont. Next door zint ik. Kijk, dus gaat er ook in mijn naam. Heavy snow. Laten we zien wie me kan checken de wetter. Besides for weather.com. Als je dan gaat gaan Hans, ja, Apple Store, laat maar zijn. Zie je door Apple Store, dat gaan.
Sometimes I wonder if we should slow things down. Take the time to admire the landscapes. What I want is to live more intensely. Sometimes I
Kijk dus, ja, major
slow things down.
guidelines for major winter storm shifted north a little overnight. Further expanding areas forecast. Wow, ze gaat zo goed in, though. This is early estimates. Zwanzig inches? Muss ich mal fahren. Und da was er gereiten von dem. Ich hab Salz. Peter. What storm is happening? Supposedly, like 20 inches Schnee. The weather guys are minus 4, low 4, Saturday, Sunday. 9 degrees. Today is 28. Watching a potential winter storm. Periods of snow, high near 10F.
Sometimes I wonder if we should slow things down.
90% accumulate 5 to 8 inches. Zoeken ze door jetzt.
To go faster and faster.
Wer weiß?
To do things harder and harder.
Nice VWAP retest. Wie zijn het? Wo? Wie ben? Sag maar dat we naar roze zoomen te zijn de VWAP. Nice beat. Yeah. Moish, you did call it. That would have been a great call. It's faster. Good morning. You going to coil in 10 minutes? Quite welcome. You bist Nigel? It's fast art. The last retest, yeah. Ich trade nicht testen VWAP, but it seems good. seems like a very good one. Been 128 to 328. 200 points. Not really at the guys to the coil, or not really to the Snyder. Welke is het? Dan gaan we deze keer daar sluifen. Aber het darf just laufen, weil will nicht an spät, hat gar nicht mit der Gevrisse. Bisschen schabelig für der Gevrisse. I don't know if it'll come because of the weather. Exactly. Will schon jetzt nicht kommen, weil sintig ist an a bad wetter. So wie einer tun geht mein Job. In the job sucht man aber bekommt 2 Wochen Vacation, eine Woche 6-7 Tage, 6 Days. Fangt an also. Heute nimmt 2 Wochen Vacation plus 6 days. Und noch fangt an der Arbeit. You're not really new here. Well, de eerste mocht ze er typen. So, I don't know. The Zehner-Zeiger candle kicked those shine though. Die wohnst in Michigan. That's nice. Oh, jetzt sehe ich auf der Top Level. Die wohnst in Michigan. Ohio, Michigan. Very nice. Bist du Husset? Was wohnt in Michigan? Oder bist du... Nicht, dass es P. Ich glaube nicht kein P. Wow, wie kalt ist in Michigan? In Michigan wird es super kalt, nein? Lansing, Michigan, Chicago. Kalamazoo. Ich habe reingezoomt in Google Maps in Michigan. Ich habe eine Fascination mit Maps. I'm Hasidish, kind of. Nee, der Regel, die du kind of. It's like, are you really Hasidish? I'm kidding. Ich bin nicht der Harbinger of wer Chassid ist. Gits auf die Guys mit Sneakers. Und der ist perfect English. Und deine Kleider sind dann schmutzig, weil die wirst daran finden. We have about 5 inches of snow now. Snow, hast du nicht gesagt? No. Nice. Aber ich denke, sie gewohnt dort und sie schneit. Versus du. Nicht echt sie gewohnt. Die wohnt in Southfield, Michigan. Die kommst von Michigan, die verstehst Yiddish bei Michigan. Oder der heimische Yiddish. Der heimische Yiddish, which is also no problem. It's absolutely no problem. Gaan we zijn omgeven aan de map. No. Even een Google Maps doen. En zijn we de hartslag aan aankomen. Sehen wir der Hauptschlag. I moved away from Vishnitz. Okay. No. Grand Rapids. Kalamazoo, Michigan. Lansing. Toledo. Southfield. Wie is Southfield? Noem me niet als Southfield is South. Is einfach geworden in welche Seite ist South? Why Michigan though? Good question. Wie kommt du nach Vishnitzer all the way to Michigan? Nicht nur Michigan, Southfield. What's in Michigan? I mean, ich bin sicher, dass du hast auch Sachen in Michigan. Die question nur, wo's? Kijk, ons bordet zich met Canada. Met Canada. Within the 51st state. There's no New Yorkers, so there's already a thumbs up. That's the first thing you go for, huh? You're like, how many New Yorkers are there? 0? Southfield, Michigan. Okay. Oh, lebe in Detroit. Okay. Ich habe gearbeitet in Detroit für 3-4 Jahren. Leather Up Village. Okay. Music Manic. This is gonna see. You went all manic here. You went to a next level manic. Wo sie gewähnt the choice, sie gehen dort. What is the Arbeit? I mean, what do you do for the Pernus? Drücken mit der Nuss. Sie werden abused. The right side more like mehr do, huh? Lass mal geben mal Fuhrer ran, lass mal sehen als Street View. Okay. Einer tut aufgeblurrt. Sutherland Street. Can you imagine? Als ik heb aangezoomed in deze dan house. Just that F. That would have been like cuckoo. There's a nice big Jewish community. A Hasidic community or? Nicht als Saddam zijn dafke Hasidisch for a community. Don't get me wrong. Ich habe gearbeitet 3 Jahren in Detroit. What a different people. But for some, ich habe lieb die meine Weg. Es ist also wie, es seemt, ich rede auf Google Maps, it seems peaceful. My father-in-law lives here. Oh, okay. We're getting close. Das heißt, ich got sie ein Outsider, ein Out-of-Towner. Guck mal aus. Garage, Haus. Keul. Robert Klein, ich gewähne der Stitzer, was finde ich Keul? Roberto Klein. Größer Ballkoko. I tell you that. Von meiner Son gesagt. Arbeiten für eine Company. He's chilling with the schwer now. Everything makes sense. Exactly. Once you sitting with the schwer. Als nicht kann Bär. Macht nicht weinen. Man verlockt nicht Trauer. But life must be so calming. Bist aufgewachsen, sagst du, wie? Ein Haus for sale. Icon verkauft der Haus. Hier kommt, simple Haus. Halbe Acre. Nothing too cuckoo, nothing too crazy. I live in an apartment building for coil families. Oh, okay. Who supports the coil there? Look at them China cars. Brick, een Dach en fertig. Brick, een bisschen Holz en fertig. Die guys met zie pinkelige adresses though. And obviously I'm gonna put it in. Hello. It's your coil. What says Dan coil? Ooh. Congregation, David Ben Nochem. Where is David Ben Nochem? 14,800. We will check in if you work in 322. What did you do in Detroit? Hogatin, property preservation. Property preservation. This is coil cars. There's no parking lot though. The coil lot is geen parking lot. And across the street they do was apartments. Wo sind those DBN? Klären sie auf und sie man nicht, ich bin nicht knowing, oh, hold on, jetzt muss ich den nach 5-0. Azula. Nice. Detroit Azula, so I'm your parking lot. Okay. I was a little harsh there for a moment. Ah, du hast da. Zaju walking. He's looking at the car. He's like, oh, this is Google Maps also. In the next house next to us is a Jew. Next to the shield. Nope, doesn't seem like it. This kicks wie Lakewood Apartments, to be honest. Guy lernen, guy enjoy. Enjoy. Ah, wie sie gefunden. You learn there? Nice. So guy lernen, guy steig. Geht die auf Jiddischkeit. Und wie lang bist du schon in Keul? Wie lang bist du schon Gasten gehabt? Die alle Apartments sind viel mit Jiden oder not really? This is pretty mixed up. Leasing offices, okay. Jetzt weiß er, wie sie machen Offices. Und gaan we voor de 550, voor de 1015 camp. They do it in the back. Okay, nice. From wie kommst du originally? Wie stark gewesen der change? So you came all the way from where you were. So mir auch sagen like a difference. Coming from New York, noisy, ruhig, sach ruhiger, keine nicht so fancy schmancy. Yep. Noch mal sehen, was geschehen. Ich denke, wenn ich bin gegangen für New York, you can contact me if you want. Favos, sie sehen, sie can join in the coil. I'm joking. But ich denke, wenn ich bin weg von New York, arbeiten in andere States. Oder driving through other states. Es hat auch different Weg von sich handeln. Und wie soll man beschleppschert sich, you know. Ich denke, man gewinnt ergens in Mississippi, Missouri, ich weiß wie. Ich bin noch mal an der Store, kauft man Essen. Ich habe geordert Essen und ich frage mir, are you from New York, by any chance? Ich sage, yeah. Oh yeah, everything is calmer here. Everything is total different ballgame. That's it, huh? Die Geist doch ungetein wie Achusset, meaning du bist da chassidisch gestimmt. Treit noch einmal zu brechen. Ba-da-ba-da-bam, bam, bam. Piri-piri-piri-piri-piri-pim. Aber ich habe noch handlich gesagt, das ist absolutely positively 100% nicht kein financial advice. So please be very careful. The market is wegnehmen alles, wie die hast. Really wie sie die hast. You want my number? You can make an interview. Email me at viggivibes@gmail.com. Viggy vibes@gmail.com. Dit eine gebeten, aber so blurren the holes of Google. Voor de garages af. Oh, dit is de andere holes. Een Jiddische vibe. Ja, die mijn gasten geven me een Jiddische vibe. I don't know why. Ze de minivans. Ja, en me zegt dat me zisse. Het andere mijn week vind leven. Ich kann negative, ich kann positive, so just this. Nope. Hier kon deze shine lawn. This is nice. Neemt keer van de lawn. Neemt keer van de lawn. VF64055. Good morning. How you doing? What's going on with you? How you doing? Merry-go-round. VF? Wo ist das VF? Und wo ist das 64055? You're good. Nice. I'm doing all right. A little frustrated, but otherwise, okay. Wenn Sachen gar nicht der Plan. But otherwise, ich bin du. We're breathing. Das habe ich in Echten geschrieben. Es ist besser aufzustehen wie in einer Bad Mood, wie beglaubt aufzustehen. You know, so I'll take that. Ich voel me jetzt du ein bisschen. In the door is the welcoming. Sick in the back. Okay. Andere... Oh, aber es ist so. Ich wollte nicht gepictured, der Haus ist an a Jewish house. This is my plate number. Yeah, we are following you, sir.
It's following with it.
Joking. I'm machen a Witz. Mit geben der Tapets. Dem Kätzl was shit. Huh? So geht darauf, huh? Jetzt kauft man sich noch dem Test, oder dann sind wir dann mit der Zielfrage. Okay, ja, agreed. Ja, no. Zu gaan halten. Do you have Rhode Island or Washington D.C. plates? Nope. Direct VF. Wie checks that on VF? This Naido? Are you new? We kunnen aanschicken van Google. Sie blurren. Het is interessant. Whoever dat deze aangeschreven had geweld blurren. Okay. Negative. New York. New York plates. There's no shade in New York plates. Er is van inzetten.
We got him. He's from our side.
You recently commented about me. and I got to know about this page. You recently comment about me. Wie hab ich gecomment wegen dir? Komm mal ran, klar. Wie hab ich gehad de gispe zu commenten wegen dir? Wie hab ich gecomment, VF? Bist gewesen auf a podcast or something? On the KJ video. Okay. Hast du es generot? Welcher Ingemann bist du gewesen? Koiden, bin ich gewesen harsh auf dir? Ich will noch machen ein Yiddish Review darauf. So, kannst du dort noch sein harsh. Mist einmal sein harsh. Knowing me. Sag mal doch mal so sharp things, no? What can you say? What can you do? Don't tell me he's Mr. Fruitful. No. He doesn't have... Er hat nicht derselbe Englisch. Er will gerät anders. You get what I'm saying? I believe so. Again, I could be right. Who knows? Absolutely not. Was stell dir vor, die bist die der inge Mann, was redt sie ihm draußen von Chill auf dem Porch? Und noch fragt er dich personally, sie die nimmst, und die Geist, By the way, das ist gekannt, gierig suchen wegen, das kann man nicht gewiss. Aber sie do einen Weg, wie sie mir empfiehlt. So wie wenn einer fragt mir wegen Vaccine, sage ich, I share my health things only with my doctor. My medical stuff with my doctors only, personnel only. You know? That's all that. My finances is only with my financial advisor. Think about the first two letters of my plant. VF. Weil wenn man will etwas trachten von etwas. Wie denkt man es nicht? Maybe he's the bus driver? Okay, möglich. Lebende School? 30 gedenken. Lebende School, was you do? I do a lot of things, but I gotta go. I'm in a rush. Sam Bam Wham. Hold on. Hello and welcome, Sam. What Tutsach? Have you been multiple and fruitful today already? Hat sich angekauft am After Joina Ding, man. Die kennst nicht gut, nicht den. It's crazy. Like what the man guy in his life, it's always gonna be fruitful. No, the excellent bus driver crash. Oh. Okay, the guy met the cigarette in the mall. Was er gewoon geven $25 voor de taxi guy, voor de andere geverman. There was nothing wrong with him. I mean, again, zei Hasidisch, like, I'll give you $500. Gewoon getracht van een tip is, ze zo'n guide die geverman, meaning guide they company, whatever, blah, 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 and they company gave my quote. Stam zoeken voor een mensje gaan, because they have the weiß nicht. They gaan sie op plaatsen met ze rapen. You know what I mean? So that's what they do. The excellent bus driver. You know the amount of accidents. Of course, guys, too much awful amount of accidents. If you're gonna have so many people living in one place with awful cars and it's just normal. No, that's not me. I gave you a clue. Fire, fire. I'm trying to read that clue. It's not happening. It's not going. I'm not guessing, BF. We're the best. To be honest. He was there for 3 days and took only the betting. This me gave my euro the rappers or something. I'll be back in a minute. Mother Nature, hold on. Vinny. Be back in a minute. Penny. Hello and welcome, Penny. I am back. Oh, volunteer firefighter. Okay. Bernat Zine? The chief Zine? I don't know why I jumped there. Just the VF is a fire volunteer. No, volunteer firefighter. De Hebra du geblurrt alles. Ken gas begalilen is in de backyard. Ich fühle jetzt wie die Ostam so viel fun. Die Ostam fun. Lass mal sehen, sie mich kennen. Genau, überdrehen. Come on. Maar wie verderft. Beter. It's just a bit frustrating the last few days. Oh, nice. Whenever you're ready, let me know. I found some sort of loophole in the market. Sam.
Bring us ahead. Hello.
Send me an email. Conference me in the conference. What's this? Don't be like that. Let me know. So deep is the firefighter. Laat me zien de video doen van... Big Mike is there. Nicht aim, hat man included. Nicht aim. The bosses. Man darf da suchen von der Bosses, sie sich zu beruhigen. Simon, Monroe, Zion, anywhere. Meaning, die Hebra fuhren schnell. Oh, Am I onto something? Darf actually machen a video. Tower Ladder 593. KJ Rescue. Pee. The funny part von dem ist, als geht mit Chavaidam next, fuhrt mit Chavaidam. Und kommt schon nicht, wenn du ein Chavaidam-Member, was fix schon Detail. It doesn't have to do with trading. Okay. So welche market are you talking about? Welche market, Sam? Come on, let us know. Let us know. In which market are you talking about? Don't shy away. Zoek me das klar. Wie viel Geld man geht sich geben als Spur? I need oil to drop a big fat dump. Maar de news had gezocht. We gezien ergens wie in de najas als maar gesiest nog oil tanker, so who knows? Ah, nice. What's ik gemeint the bed comment for 3 days? What am I missing? There's me follow the Tata's footsteps, you know, which is nice. But so lernt man sich auch Sachen. Man lernt nicht aus Menschen Sachen, guys es nicht können übergeben für die Kinder. And I think that's a mistake. We should start teaching kids things, you know. En gaan zich heiden de muschel, advertisen mit Zielaisch. Da kommt jemand mit der Lights in der Lelus. Jeder soll sehen, mit wer nach Fire Chief. Oder sie müssen bist oben auf Börsennummern. So, ich meine von der ganzen Video echt, was man kann sich lernen von der Tyler Rivera's Video, ist, dass der Bosses darf sich beruhigen. Sponsor pulled out the last minute on this video. Macht es auch ein Sound wie es ist rausgepullt wegen dem. Es ist nicht so gefährlich, der Video. Und ich bin nicht rausgestruggelt, rausgebackt. Tja, listen, this is on business. He has to make money and nicht do for fun. But interesting. Welcome though. Just to be watched. Und du bist da a Watcher von der Viggy Vibes. Didn't know that. In Sommer dem Fire Chief du gehabt hat? Oder in Sommer noch? And it's a coiling amount for Michigan, Southfield, Michigan. I feel like the Viggy situation is getting all over the world, you know? It's happening. We're making roishams. This guy was there for 3 days and took out only the bad things. Oh, bad things. Okay, I'm sorry. From this place and highlight them like crazy. Het niet helemaal rausgebrengt the bad things. Like, het goed is gezocht. Gehad gute editing. De Sache mit der Nick Shirley's Video, als nicht gewinnt kann editing. Besides for timestamps, like, okay, du 10 Minuten, dort 10 Minuten. Du ist gewinnt all about editing, weil das gekannt sein. Und dann conversation mit einem hinter der Gas, hinten, bei Gereiden. Und nur der normale conversation, gewinnt oben bei, wie heißt es, oben bei Grand Foods Grocery, whatever es heißt, dort oben. Nice. My guy to the Haider. I like that. Okay. I'll give credit for that. I give credit for that. I like that. Was ist wichtig? Es ist wichtig zu geben für Kinder Sachen sie daydreamen about, ja? Sie sehen, sie machen, sie tun. I think it's very important. Und man darf geben andere Sachen auch. Ich weiß, die kannst gar nicht stehen, deswegen. Es ist nicht wie ich rede dir, die so Steppen stehen. But I'm just saying overall, I think it's very important. Also wie man bringt, you know, es werden mit 10 Uhr darin, wie ein Kind sagt, oh, von was habe ich gewollt wie ein Firefighter, weil ich bin gewesen 4 und ich habe gesehen den Firetruck und man hilft andere Menschen und ich habe es lieb gehabt und es hat geöffnet, you know, es hat geöffnet eine Plattform und man kennt die Sachen. Wenn dem so gehe ich, darf man bringen andere Sachen as well. Man darf inspiren young minds. Man kann seine Schlieden in the blind. Alle Menschen, die wollen sein Lawyers, Doktoren, Scientists, sie gehen, you know, what about them? What about them? What about them? De Häusen hat daheim. Zet seine andere Klemm. You know what I mean? But I remember the old good days when you used to live next to the Yiddish. Yes. I sure did. Leben der Yiddish. Next to the Yiddish. Different times, bro. Different times, different days. Okay, hold on. Yeah, going to school is a long-term investment, hopefully 20 years, and we got a lot of volunteers out of it. You sure will, if you make it interesting, you know. Es ist outlets für Kinder. Es ist outlets für Kinder zu enjoyen. Sie können anlegen sein best step forward, you know. Es ist eine Technology in the fire industry. Zumindest darf es an Firefighter. Sie können sagen all types of things. Silber, $93. Come on, dump. Dump, baby, dump. Okay, dan met traden. Verhand. In also wie sie können entwickeln, Menschen, sie werden Kinder, sie werden a firefighter. Also es soll sein andere Sachen auch, you know, andere fields. Again, I know that I'm not talking to you because die kannst machen change. You get what I'm saying? I'm just, die willst du redder zu dir deswegen. But it's nice having you. It's nice, wie sagt man? Da hoben du auf ein Massegeschäft. Ich bin humbled. Die bist du auf the Viggy Vibe Show in the morning. I appreciate it. Can I say, I'm lately, hold on, schrei nicht. Ich habe lately umgehoben watchen dich, man. First Amendment Protection Agency had 168,000 subscribers, but he's making a lot of views. This might as a get. I shoot 23,000 views, the video. So, and is ook het as a like a intergezipter. And one of the biggest reasons why ich lieb zu watchen die videos, personally, in für andere, is the education, was I geben. Ich habe gehabt runnen mit der Police a few months ago. Wenn ich watchen Long Island Audit, wollte ich gewiss, wie man handelt das, und ich wollte most probably mehr in trouble. Und weil ich habe es gewatcht, aber gewiss meine rights, ich habe gehabt the right attitude. You know, ich habe gewiss, wo titzig. Mein Kopf gewinnt auf ein Gitter Shoulder. Wegen dem bin ich ein Advocate für watchen die Videos, weil man lernt sich aus jeden Tag mehr und mehr, und man lernt sich aus von seinen Mistakes. Und auch wenn es dich ever können beruhigen, wenn die Rätsel ja kap, oi blam sagen, du hast Issues, redden dich ja kap. Wenn die Rätsel ja kap, dann muss es schon zu spät. Du jetzt kann man leben vicariously through them. Meaning, sei gehen dort auf die Action von redden sie ja kap, die kap treibt sei, you know, aranzinaren or whatever the case may be, und man lebt dort auch sei. Hold on.
Oklahoma. What is going on today, everybody? Today we're here in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and we're going to be going around and doing our regular thing, stress testing the First Amendment right to record in public, seeing how the public and or the public officials act if they do arrive out here today. So as usual, thank you for being here. Let's stick around. This should be a good one. Well, all right, everybody. Today we have the Okie Wonderland Exotic Cannabis.
So, hast du bemerkt, dass geizige Plätze wie dem, wie Menschen sollen werden ungezogen. Which, ich weiß nicht, ich agree, but I understand. You know what I mean? Ich verstehe, because he needs to have interactions. Man soll sich lernen also wie sagt, stress testen, the First Amendment.
Dispensary. It's a beautiful day out here in Broken Arrow, but it's a little chilly, but that's all right. So we should have a bunch of traffic here today, being right off the highway.
Typically, eine geht da rauswalken, kick this, eine kick do. Oh no, just a picture. Oh no, eine kickt. Let's kick because we have a picture by the window.
Staring through the window.
Staring through the window.
Nice, baby. She's joining in. Let's go. We can see it through the window, baby. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Nice.
Je gaat daar aan complainen. En usually, als je een gewatsch genick vindt, usually arbeidt als ooit de store rattled up der Mensch. Sagt ihm, ja, der ist Jens. Kommt raus, Sachen mehr ungezogen. Besides, oder sagt ihm der Store, ja, es geht. So mit sehen. Lijkt ook daran de 911 calls. Oh, dit is direct bestemd in 911. En kijk de authority was mensen meinen zij hebben.
Hi, friend.
What's going on?
Friend, yeah,
What's
Mango.
going on?
How are you?
Pretty good. How are you doing?
Not too bad.
Why are you recording me?
Why am I recording?
Yeah, could I just ask?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Well, let me ask you a question. Do you support the Constitution?
Why are you recording? I don't feel
Ze komt daar aus middelphone, wat bis heen, now she doesn't feel comfortable.
comfortable answering any questions, to be honest with you.
Okay. All right.
But can I ask why you're recording that?
Nah, I'm not. I mean, I just asked you a question. I really don't feel comfortable answering questions either.
Okay, well, I just want to let you know my customers don't feel too comfortable with you, like, recording them without their consent.
I mean, I don't really need consent, so to say.
So you're just going to stay out here all day and record us?
Maybe.
Okay.
You want me to call the police? He's loitering now.
Loitering?
Komt daar aus einer mit fancy Wörter.
Sound like a law scholar over there.
I don't understand.
Man kann sich lernen, du bist amul in charge von einer Situation. Das kijkt us oder wie a customer oder nicht. Ob es ist a customer, darf der Store sagen, no, calm down, everything is good, we're taking care of it, don't worry. Wie man sieht, wie heißt das? Man sieht Companionship in dem. Like, wenn ich stehst in der Line, ich habe mal eine Srulli mir gesagt, wenn ich stehst in der Line, in einer nimmt seine Zeit, ja, dreht sich einer aus, dann muss ich stehst bei der Register, allein, dreht sich einer aus und kickt auf die und geht, dann macht mit der Augen oder mit der Hand, weil sieht Companionship. Sieht einer soll agreeen mit ihm. Und also wird aufgewachsen, aufgebubbelde Wasser und jeder einer meint, Titze.
Just came out right away like you had a new development on a crazy story.
He has a new development.
Oh boy.
I don't give you permission to record.
You do know my face gets shown on anything, and I will sue the out of you for that, right?
Yeah?
Good.
Okay.
Police are on their way, by the way.
Sounds
Is gewesen in de video en is gewesen apart van de story. Hat sich literally interjected in de story. En nachdem kommt er sagen, geht so an. Wie geht so an? Wem geht so an?
good.
Good enough.
What do you think they're gonna do?
Hopefully haul your ass to jail for this stupid shit.
For standing on a sidewalk?
Die gab's noch ein Human, will a zweite Human so gehen in jail, weil steht dort mit der Kamera. Just like that. Will jene so gehen zu a dangerous Platz, und anlegen sein Leben in danger, weil steht dort mit der
For the
Kamera.
phone?
Exactly are you doing
For
out
standing on the sidewalk with a phone? Really?
Yeah, you're recording people.
Haul me to jail for standing on a sidewalk with a phone.
You're recording people without their knowledge.
I don't need your knowledge or your permission.
Actually, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
How do you figure that?
I tell you what, I'll call an attorney and ask them, and then I'll come find your stupid ass.
Oh yeah? Oh, you better not tell the attorney you said that. That's pretty dumb.
Hey, I'll tell him whatever.
Okay, buddy.
Good luck with whatever you're doing. Huh?
Thank you very much, man. You as well. I hope you have a good
Olivier keeps on calm.
day.
Yeah.
I think that's the trick. Oklahoma.
Starting to heat up in here now. goes.
The oil in America is like seriously overweight.
Got another chaperone over here sitting in the window.
What a way to herankommen in the picture. Maar wat kan je niet gedenken, die mensen? Miswazende vinden.
Number one, baby. He already knows.
Number one.
Nine.
Why would you insert yourself in the video? Why would you insert yourself? Just walk.
Number one.
In zijn ogen, die mensen meinen, als wenn sie zijn schon in draußen von der Angle von der Kamera, können sie sagen, wo sie will. Man kann doch machen rewind. Man kann sagen, wieso du kickst those 10 seconds zurück. But the humans don't think like that. Grote Blitz.
Alright, so hey, text me what kind of car it is so I can kind of look it up and then I'll get back with you. Alright, have a good one.
You know there's a guy recording outside? Was? Gut raus, keiner weiß nicht, keiner sieht nicht, keiner macht nicht. Alles ist smooth. In sie gibt lessons für sich, ob etwas geschehen muss, ist der Kamera. Just walk. Don't insert yourself.
Nice, baby. Nice. Nice.
Vamos a decir que hay que me pasó.
Hey, don't videotape me. That's a good way to get f***ed off. Yeah. You don't think so?
Why are you freaking out, bro?
Yeah,
Over
don't
what?
Dit is zoals gechanged door de audio, weil spielt music en mensen meinen, man kan copyrighten. Hat er schon durch Programm, das nimmt er aus der Music und fertig.
Take my fucking truck.
Over what, bro? Hey, Meta,
Oh.
start recording.
Make this real fast, real quick.
Oh.
See you later, buddy.
He's coming out to bite. He made a good decision today.
Oh, boy.
Oh, boy.
Here we go.
The police are here.
Oh, we got two of them.
2 cops.
A serious situation going on here or something.
What's up, my man?
How's it going?
I'm assuming I'm here to talk to you.
I have no idea.
You just out here practicing your First Amendment rights?
That's it.
Okay, can you do me a favor?
Nope.
Just step onto the sidewalk.
Look,
no, onto the sidewalk.
Look, this whole thing is a sidewalk, right?
No, this is.
Okay, so hold on.
Their
Let me
curtilage
ask you a
that they
question.
have to pay for.
Let me ask you a question, right? So if I was walking by, am I supposed to just
Har sen vi det kaptet It is nice. Så du andere orders was schreinglacht like we're done directives.
float over this part right here?
No, you can walk across it, but for you to exercise your right, you have to be on the sidewalk that they built. Yes.
Okay.
So just on the like that.
What you're saying
2
is
feet that way. Yes.
6 inches.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes, because they have to pay to install this. This is their curtilage.
Yeah,
They're
that doesn't
responsible
matter.
for
That
it.
doesn't matter. This is still called the public right of way, my friend.
Yes.
So can you just hop on the sidewalk?
So
for
what?
me?
The cop will just control the situation.
What you're telling me? What you're telling? Just let me hear you out and make sure we're on the same page
Yeah.
here. So are you saying that I'm going to be arrested if I don't move over?
No, that's not what I said at all.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm just asking you to step onto the
All right,
sidewalk so that you're
Okay.
within your rights to do so.
I'm within my rights exactly where I
Okay.
am.
Exactly.
All right. Do you have any ID on you, my man?
No, I don't.
ID?
No, I don't.
Okay.
That was funny.
That you're within your rights to do so.
I'm within my rights exactly where I
Okay.
am.
All right. Do you have any ID on you, my man?
No, I don't.
ID?
No, I don't.
Okay, cool. You have a YouTube channel or anything like that?
No, I'm not going to answer any questions.
Okay.
Not gonna answer any questions.
Started out a lot better, man.
What do you mean?
I mean, look, you look. So you know I'm exercising my First Amendment right.
yeah.
So you can't actually believe that I can't stand right here. Look, I'm not blocking any traffic. I'm not blocking any pedestrians or causing a disturbance or anything like that. So
right.
Hello.
for you to tell me that I can't
fast
exist
art.
right here and then say, "Do you have an ID?" like that with it? Come on, man. That's not how you started. I'd like to continue how you started because you started very well.
I'm confused. I
I'm
guess.
confused. The cop is all of a sudden confused.
What do you mean?
What do you want?
What do I mean?
Yeah.
So, look, I'll walk you through again, right? So, you started off correctly. Said you just exercising your First Amendment rights.
Yeah.
And then you said, I need to move over 2 feet, which is incorrect. Completely incorrect, by the way. And I would assume you know that because you're talking about curtilage and public right-of-way. It sounds like you know what you're talking about. It almost sounds like you're trying to test me and see whether or not I know what I'm talking about. And, I do know what I'm talking about. So, and then you asked me for my ID for what? You know what you need to get people's ID, right? You need probable cause or reasonable suspicion,
I don't
right?
need probable cause to ask you for your ID.
For sure.
I can ask you for your ID.
For sure.
It is your right to deny me access to the ID, correct?
Yep.
So did I do anything wrong?
I'm just saying.
Demanding your ID?
No, I didn't. I didn't say you demanded it. What I'm saying is, you're walking up to somebody, you know what I'm doing, and you still
Hey, dude,
have to come and ask
honestly,
for my ID.
I don't have an issue with what you're doing, man. I don't want to get run over
He
here.
doesn't want to get run over.
I don't have an issue with what you're doing, man. So
I would hope not.
No, I don't.
You took an oath to uphold the Constitution?
I did twice.
There you go. Are you a military as well?
I am, yes.
All right.
So we're here on behalf of the business, obviously.
YG. Good morning.
It's kind of crazy.
What's that?
I mean, you show up on behalf of a business to tell me that I can stand on a sidewalk?
Well, no, I mean, obviously your actions, filming people going in and out of the business owners don't like that. So that's why.
So they call more people with more cameras and guns to their dispensary, their weed dispensary?
It's a call for service, man. I've got to come here.
I know
and
you don't
handle
get to decide. I'm trying to show you where my thinking is.
I get it, man. I get it.
Could I just get the CAD number for the call? I don't need you to write a report or anything like that, just the CAD number.
Yeah, man, I'll get you the CAD code. Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Not a problem at all.
What's your partner's name, you know?
That's Officer Diaz.
Diaz?
Yeah.
And you were Jordan?
Yep, Jordan, badge number 249.
Sweet.
He's 306.
What's going on? Nothing. We're watching.
Hey, you know it right off the bat.
In Zwatschmer, First Amendment audits. Usually the letzte Video. A lot of times I'm lieb zu watchen das. Sie werden besser, werden mehr educated. Wieso me redt sie cops? Wieso me, you know, which leg to stand on. And ich habe gehabt a personal story mit cops a few months ago, which, wenn ich First Amendment audit, it's like Long Island audit, wollte ich nicht gewiss, wo es in. So, I think it's very, very important. So, ich watch was sag.
You know it right off the rip, man. That's good. A lot of people don't even know their own badge numbers. Nonetheless, they're partners too.
Oh
so.
man, that's what you use the dispatch, man. That's what we use for our designators.
Cool.
Anything occur on that side of the fence?
Everything's been on this
Do me a
side.
favor. Stay out of the drive so we don't get run over by cars. All right.
Directives. The cop. Andere auditors schreien zich, don't eat yellow snow, don't speed.
Well, like, are you talking to your partner here?
No.
Are you talking to your partner or me?
Just a
just me.
Yeah, the director. I'm going to go grab you that cat call number and then we'll get out of here. All right,
Thanks.
my man?
Appreciate that.
You have a YouTube channel or?
Yeah, I don't usually give it out though.
Okay.
You'll find it. You'll see it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Call for service numbers right there, man.
Sweet.
Any
Awesome.
questions, comments, concerns for us while we're here?
You know, let me ask you,
right.
if I just for future reference here. So if I'm like on the sidewalk here and I see somebody like singing or praying on the sidewalk, and I call the police, are you guys going to show up? Or?
So there is a city ordinance that prohibits people from blocking the sidewalk for passerbys. Okay, so yes, if you would like to call us, we can show up just like we did this, figure out what we got, make the determination at that point. Okay, if it's a misdemeanor that didn't occur in our presence and it's something you're willing to sign a citation for by complaint, then we can fill out that paperwork, you sign the citation, and the two parties will have their day in municipal court. As long as you're not a tribal member and, obviously you or the other person involved are tribal members, that would have to be referred to the tribal court for that purpose, okay?
Cool. Hey, you know what? I appreciate you trying to be professional and end it correctly. You know, like I said, I deal with a lot of bad police, but I like to point out and give credit where credit is due. So I appreciate you, handling it a little bit better than it could have gone.
No.
How long would I be live? Another 4 minutes, 5 minutes.
And I'm glad to just see
I'm
where
gonna
I'm
finish
going.
it with this video.
When the call came out, I was like, man, we didn't get a lot of good details as far as inside, outside. I had a vague idea of where this was at. I didn't realize it was fenced. Thought process here is on the sidewalk is good to go. Public courtesy. So you do your thing, man. Any questions for me?
That's it, man. Hey, can I ask you? Let me ask you. When you went in there and you talked to him about the situation, you didn't use the word unfortunately, did you?
No.
Not once.
I don't remember saying unfortunately. I don't remember the whole conversation. They asked me if there was anything we could do about you standing out here. I told them there's not because you have a First Amendment right to be.
Oh, wow. What a good question. Well, what can we do? Als Sachkap sagen, unfortunately, kann ich gar nicht stehen. So this meint die willst etwas stehen.
Out here.
Okay.
It's public property. They said, well, why is he out there? And I said, it doesn't really matter because he doesn't have to have a reason.
Sunday.
There you go. There you go. All right, hey, Mr. Diaz, I appreciate you, man. Thank you very much for being professional. Thank you for being cool.
Those
Well,
Diaz.
Mr. Wood.
Anything else?
That's it, man.
Have a good day, my man.
You guys have a good one.
Okay, I like this one. Short, sweet.
I was just going to tell them that they were dismissed, but you know what? I won't give that to them.
Yeah. All right, good choice.
I even believe both of these guys pulled into parking spots, amazingly enough.
It's fast art. Ich kann von Lachen reinkommen, aber nicht zwei.
Have a good one, my man.
You too, man. Take it easy. Try to stay warm out there.
Jeder Cup geht seine Directions.
There you go. Well, all right, everybody, that's going to be it here today from the Okie Wonderland Dispensary here in front of me. We had a worker come from inside and tell me that she wasn't comfortable answering any questions, but was really confused as to why I wasn't comfortable answering any questions in the same exact place at the same exact time. Not very much common sense there. Wanted no part to do with the conversation about the Constitution whatsoever, even though she was perfectly fine with exercising her First Amendment rights to ask me questions and see why I was out there. Which is fine. It is what it is. I answer all the questions. Not a lot of people like...
Ga geef maar like de video. Ze is dan de video. very, very important to wissen the rights in, as I mentioned, keep us safe, to be quite honest. So yeah, a great video. When happy getroffen dem Chevreman. I'm getroffen the rest of Putek. So I guess we'll see him a few times. Dan mag subscribe to his channel. Hit subscribe. Als je bist du auf day live, hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. So gaat een lange riesige week. Alright, Chevre. Kijk maar dat zaad. Without saying goodbye. Kijk maar cheesy no matter how many times I try. But I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Ik heb maar schrijven in een stuk een lange tijd. Ik had het voor deze om gewoon een andere tab gemaakt met YouTube tab. Waarom ik mijn dier? Wil je maar schrijven voor alle likers, sharers, commenters, subscribers, especially members. For putting their money where their mouth is. And yeah, thank you. Housekeeping. As of now, 7 Mazaiger live is Wednesday. We'll see you tonight, 7 o'clock. And yeah, peace out. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.